Hi, Sarah. Today, I'm going to give you a clear explanation for Lesson 1 in the English language. I know you want to speak like a native, don't you?
Absolutely, sir. I have many challenges, need to be solved. I couldn't read as fast as natives. I hardly remember the new vocabulary. Mr. Medhat, do you think I may improve?
Let's see Lesson 1. I will show Part 1 in the today's lesson. It is about common mistakes. Don't say, every student's like English. But say, every student likes English. Because the word every should be followed by a singular noun and a singular verb. Every student likes, everybody knows, everyone eats, and so on.
What about the adjectives boring and bored? When can I say boring and bored? Are they the same?
Very interesting question. Adjectives with ing describe things. You say boring film, interesting question, amazing idea, but adjectives with ed describe people. You say bored boy, excited students, respected characters, and so on. Now, let's go to Part 2 in our lesson today. It is about phrasal verbs.
Aha, I have heard a little bit about verbs. May you indicate more details about?
Of course I will. You know the verb get. If you add a preposition after the verb, it changes to be a phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs have a lot of meanings. For example, you say I get up at 7 every morning. You mean wake up. But if you add a preposition back, and say get back, the meaning will change. He got back means he returned. Now I will give you a list of one phrasal verb. The verb carry. Do you know it, Sarah?
Definitely yes. Carry something means take it in hands or on shoulders. Is that true, Mr. Medhat?
Very true. Say, I carry the bag for a while. But when you say, I carry on, working here, means, continue. Carry on, means, continue. When you say, carry out, it means, to make, or, to do. She carried out, the project. Means, she did the project. When you say, carry off something, you mean win it. They carried off 2 golden medals. Means, they won. So today's phrasal verbs are, carry on which means continue, carry out which means do or make, and, carry off, which means, win. Let's move to Part 3, Sarah.
Okay, Mr. Medhat, what's Part 3 about?
It's about some idioms you have to use in your speaking or writing. Idioms can help you to be like natives. When you say, a cold day in July, you mean something that will never happen. For example, they thought I gave her a lot of money. Really, it's a cold day in July. It means I never give her my money.
I appreciate your help and support today. Thank you a lot, Mr. Medhat. Tomorrow, I will be here on time for Lesson 2.
How was your lesson today in English with Medhat?
It was great. I have taught some common mistakes, some phrasal verbs, and some idioms. Mr. Medhat is a fabulous teacher. I'm really lucky to follow his channel on YouTube.